Good morning, children, and welcome, parents. Welcome to Standard 2 Drawing Class. Hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Dear children, can you guess what is this? Yes, it's train on a railway track. Well, now, what is train? It's one of the means of land transport. Trains are used to travel from one city to another. Trains run on electricity, diesel, and coal as well. It carries passengers and goods. People wait at the platforms for the train to arrive. Therefore, I love this way of traveling from one place to another. So children, let's begin our journey from home to school. For drawing this picture, what we need? We need one black marker. For coloring the sun, we need yellow color. The sky, we need blue color. The soil, we need orange color. And for the grass, we need green color. So let's begin. First of all, we will draw the railway track that you can see on the picture. What to do? Just use black sketch pen, or I am using black marker. For drawing the track, just draw straight lines. If you want to use scale, you can use it. It's not necessary that these lines should go straight, because you can see that it's your drawing also, it's not straight. So, if you want to draw these tracks by yourself, you can also draw this with free hands. Now my track is ready. Now I have to draw the compartments. You can see in this picture there are rectangular boxes, and these boxes are the compartments. Now, if you want to use scale, then you can. Now see, what is the difference? You can see these compartments are even in size. These are the wheels. And what is the work of these wheels? These wheels help to move. Now, this is the main engine. You can see this is the main engine. And this is the vent through which steams comes out. You can see this is the sun. And to color this sun, what you have to use? You have to use yellow color. What these two things are? These two things are the clouds, and they will remain white as well. But what color you will use here? This is the sky, and for sky you have to use sky blue. Now let's draw the grass. You can see what type of grasses I have drawn. It's just looking like pines. Now dear kids, you can see that my picture is done. I have used what? A black marker, and you all will use a black sketch pen. Now, first of all, I will color the wheel. You can see with black color. Now, after coloring these wheels, I'm going to color the compartments with red color. Likewise, you all are going to color these compartments with red color and these wheels with black color and the track also with black color. Dear parents, worksheet of this drawing will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through it. Hope you all enjoyed this drawing class. Have a nice day. Thank you.